Shalom, guys. So, for the past couple of days, we've been talking about the different types of climates, how climate is different from weather, and now we're going to investigate the climate of the city we are supposedly going to move to. Okay, so I want you to think about, first of all, I want you to locate this place on the map. So, you're going to use this first link, and this will be the map, and I want you to use this legend to investigate what kind of climate it is. Is it tropical? Is it desert? Is it polar? I want you to think about that, okay? And then I want you to come back here and describe what that climate is. So don't just mention it is a desert or it is tropical, but I want you to think about what does a temperate climate have? What does it look like? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it humid or dry? What kind of plants grow there? And also where in the world is it located? When you look at the globe, the map, I want you to think about, is it near the equator, near the North Pole or South Pole? Is it somewhere in between? You can also use the latitudinal information that you have right here. So you can say like at 30° north, or you can say like it's located around 60° north and south. Whatever it is, I want you to think about, I want you to look at the map and describe it here. Okay? So, and then once you're done, and then if you forgot some of the reading from yesterday, the link is here. So use this link to read back about your climate, the specific climate you're investigating. Then you're going to come here. Our goal by the end of this week is to create an advertisement for the city that you want to move to. So think about, like, how would you create an advertisement that will make anyone interested to come visit your city? So you do need to, first of all, write the city and the continent, the country in the continent in which it is in. And then I want you to describe the climate, and this is something literally you're pulling from different places here. So you can literally get the climate description from here. And also the city, the country, and the continent. You already did this investigation last week. So you just got to go back to last week's assignment and get that information. And then you're going to describe how the weather is in there, how is the winter there, how is the summer, fall, and spring, what are some features or attractions that tourists want to go visit. And then finally, I want you to find images that show, one, the map of the place, and two, maybe some attractions that will make us want to go to your city, okay? And so let me show you what I investigated. If you recall last week, the city that I was interested in was Alice Springs. So I did further research, and this is the advertisement I created for Alice Springs, okay? I talked about the arid climate here, and then I also describe it here. I talk about the different seasons here, which month is the hottest, which month is the coldest. I talk about the different activities you can do in that city, even though it's a desert, but there's quite a lot of activities you can do, including hot air ballooning in the morning, or watching the motorcycle race. It's a pretty cool place, actually. I never even thought about this city before, so this investigation made me really interested and more knowledgeable about Alice Springs, Australia. So you're going to do further investigation, but one thing I want you to pay attention to is, are you getting your information from some unreliable resource, or are you getting your information from a reliable source? So you need to make sure, and I want you to look at the bottom of the screen. Sorry, guys. Okay, there it is. Okay, and reliable resources usually end with .edu, .un, or .gov, okay? And some other websites that actually end up with .com or .org are National Geographic, NASA Climate, SciJinx, and Global Cultures. These are all reliable sources in addition to the ones that are listed here, the two. So you can use these websites to learn more about your city and create an amazing presentation. I look forward to seeing your product at the end, but today I want you to focus on your research about your city. And here's an additional slide for you to take more notes on, okay? Thank you guys for watching.